Oh, what's the other view here? What you should do is divide it by 12. Using 30 by 60, you can easily divide the top view into 12. Use 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 60 degrees. Presto! You have divided it into 12. Let us number this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just do you have first. So 7 is here. Number 1 is here. Number 4 is here. No doubt about it. Number 5 is here, which is this one. Can you follow? Number 5 and number 3 is in the same line. Well, number 6 and number 2. Supposed to be the same yan. 2. So number 6 and number 2. And now you have the ellipse. It's not egg shape, It's not like that. It is an ellipse. As you can see, So the other half, the same way you will do it. Now, the challenge is, what is it in oblique and isometry? You will use a box. That's the technique. Good morning, sir. I started the meeting to De La Salle Group. Do you have a date already as to the membership seminar in March? The new time, this will be a good month. Okay. So we will consider this as a square. We better measure it. This is the last of the things I will explain today. Then I'll give you things to draw. 3 again. So that when we meet next meeting, you have 10 and then 3. 7 more. You can concentrate in your other subjects. Okay? While you are not pressured in the other subjects, I will pressure you here. Because we are conscious of deadlines. If there is no deadline, we will finish it in December 2012. Right? We do better under pressure. Correct? So I'll pressure you. You get mad at me. But you will be happy later. Because what you will draw, you have drawn already. So I hope you will bear with me. So we have all the time to, there is a problem with your weight. We have enough, maybe 2 weeks to meet up. Like, you want to draw again some of your drawings so that you can get higher. Give you all the time. Okay. Okay. This is okay. We will get this one. We will measure. That's the term. And that's the center. I will work on this. This one, 4, 1, 7. 1, 7, 4. Do you agree? What is one. Well, measure that distance and that distance. It's the same as this. What would be this number? What? 6. You love 6? Okay. What is this number? Only one is interacting with me. Then you measure this. Where is that? What number is this? 3 now. How about this? How about this? What number? 5. More are interacting. Very good. So that is now the ellipse. You know what to do to get the ellipse there of the ano? What's that height? Wow, very easy, sir. That's the height. Number 7. What's the height of this? There, number 1. Oh. What's the height of number 4? There. What's the height of number 6? There. 6. What's the height of number 5? There. Actually, they will coincide. If you are going to draw this accurately, they will coincide in the same line. Don't be surprised. If you are going to draw it perfectly, they will be on the same line. Number 3. There. So 4, 3, what else? 2. Wow, I can see it in your eyes. Okay. Ulit! Iugnay! Iinugtong! Ha? Itulay! Ayan. Then, in freehand. That's the ellipse. The other one, you do it the same way, that's the ellipse. And, if you will also work on the other one, this will be tangent. There. That's the answer. The problem is you will have to draw using construction lines. So one of your plate will be this one. And, ladies and gentlemen, you will have to make it as big as possible. That is just enough in your drawing. Now you can take a look at this.